Hello, I'm Dr. Paul, your New York City chiropractor with Back and Body Medical. Today, Kunjan, my physical therapist here, came with me with a problem with his neck and upper back, so I decided to check it out. I already did my exam prior to shooting this, so I'm going to start treating it right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my thumb right between the shoulder blade back here. So now I'm going to have you put your arm across your body, just like this, and I want you to look down and to the left while I'm doing it, alright? Together. There you go. Feeling the stretch here?
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is holding down the muscle right down in here, just so I can get it moving and stretch. All right. For the next move, I'm gonna have you laying face down on the table over here. So same concept, just a little bit different technique. So I'm gonna put my thumbs right over here. So next, Kunjan, you're gonna put your arm in front of your body across your face. There you go. So I'm gonna hold on and you're gonna reach back. Yep, just like that. I'm gonna hold on this there. All right, you do a couple more times. There you go. Feeling a stretch here?
Mm-hmm.
All right, one more time. All right, relax the arm now. What I'm gonna do next is try to get some movement going in this mid back here. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust. Gonna feel around for some restricted motions. All right, just want you to breathe in and out. One more time. And out. All right, I want you to face up. Now I'm gonna try to get some movement in his neck now. Check for some restricted motions. All right. Check the other side. All right, how you feeling, Kunjan?
Better.
All right.
Yeah, the pain's. Yeah, that was a sitting pain. It's gone.
All right.
Yeah.
So the type of pain Kunjan experiencing here is very common with people who sit at a desk all day, especially looking down at a screen and at a keyboard. So if you're having pain in your upper back and shoulder, just give us a call.